in there. I wouldn't do too many aerobatics.
Yeah, it's wanting to climb, see? Help me here.
Okay.
Climbing. That's what it was doing the other day when I was on with Kenny.
You got no control on the rudder.
Really?
Coming up and down. Oh, really? There we go. Oh!
Here, cut the
Cut the head. Catch the wing! Over here, Kenny. The wing. I got it! I got it!
Hell, I don't even need the engine. Tore my rudder off.
I think rudder is no. The rudder has the least of your problems. I might as well go out and help him. It's 2 today. I don't
think I'm gonna fly anymore.
He's not gonna fly anymore. You remember any other parts coming off over there? One of those is missing?
Yeah, but it could be with the plane because it's...
No, I doubt it.
Yeah, there's one with the
Oh
plane.
yeah, it could be. It's attached there. Yeah, it could be. I had no control over it. I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's not your fault. I knew I had a problem. Well, yeah, it's a little tough to fly without a wing, isn't it?
Don't pull it out yet. I want to get some pictures of this.
What they call a one-point landing.
You had a little angle on it, so it wasn't, you know,
Yeah.
perfect.
Well, I guided it in as much as I could.
Sounded pretty impressive when it hit.
I killed the engine.
Now let's see what damage we've done here. Oh!
Well, at least you can do that.
Hope you didn't break my prop. You sure as shit did, you bastard.
Sorry about that. I didn't mean to break your prop. Yeah, leave the turf behind. The farmer gets pissed off when you take some of that home with you.
Sure, it's good stuff. Stick it in the front yard.
Oh, get the rest of the prop out of the hole.
Oh, you think there's one down there?
I know it's down there.
It is. It's 10 feet deep. I don't feel it, man.
It's got to be in there.
I can't wait to watch this on TV.
It could have got flung as soon as it hit the ground.
It's the other way, other direction. Feel the other way.
Oh, here it is.
Yep.
Sure enough. Oh, I can fix that.
That's rule number 37. Never fix a prop.
Okay.
Tank's okay.
Yeah. You know what? This plane.
Landing gear's okay.
This plane's never flown good. It's time to hang it up. Well, I knew that front thing would fall off, but regardless.